All right, hey, good morning. Welcome back to our project here at Oneida and Highway 51 here in Coweta. This is the new corporate office of VIP Technology Solutions Group and VIP Voice Services. I'm here this morning with Daniel Sanchez from Turner Roofing. And tell me a little bit about Turner Roofing.
Turner Roofing's been here for about 58 years in the Tulsa market. We do steep slope applications, flat roof applications, so that's residential and commercial. Liquid applied coatings as well. And we have a full service sheet metal shop as well.
So it sounds like Turner got some employees that have been there for a few years.
Yeah, we've got about a dozen that have been there 27 years or longer.
Okay.
And then we are training new, younger guys to take our places as we speak.
Cool. That's cool. It speaks to the quality and the durability of the company when they've got people who have been there for, and they can say, I've been here for a couple of decades. That means a lot, and it shows it's a good quality company to work for.
Yes, it is. Very family oriented, and we've been blessed.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, so this project here, it took a couple days as a tear off with some add-ons. Went really well, pretty solid. The shingles are a Camco Titan XT, which is a impact resistant shingle. It also carries a 160 mile an hour wind warranty. It's fairly new to the market, maybe about 2 years, but it's the hottest thing out there right now.
Okay, so our schedule shows that the roof starts, this is October 24th. It shows it starts October 25th. That's tomorrow. And you're saying y'all are already done.
That is correct.
When did y'all finish?
Last Thursday.
Wow, so we're maintaining a 10-day ahead of schedule, including up to the roof at this point. Fall coming on and maybe some inclement weather. That's not going to affect our construction at all.
No, you're ahead of schedule.
Well, man, I really appreciate it. We're very happy with the product, especially the completed look. And it looks like you guys have done great work, and then being ahead of schedule is just icing on the cake for us.
Yes, sir.
So, well, thanks again for being here.
Yes, sir.